Hello my friends, happy Friday. Welcome to my channel Ocean of Formulas. In today's video, we are going to solve this particular expression using PEMDAS, or you can say it as PODMAS rule. For those who haven't gone through my previous video, the link is in description where I have explained what is PEMDAS or PODMAS rule. But here, just to give a brief about it, when we have multiple operations in one expression, for an example, when we have division, addition, subtraction, multiplication, parenthesis, exponents in one single expression, we always use PEMDAS or BODMAS rule. Now let's understand the meaning of PEMDAS rule. P means parenthesis, or you can say it as brackets. E is exponents, M is multiplication, D is division, A is addition, and S is subtraction. When we solve any expression, there are two things to keep in mind. One, we will start solving any expression from left to right. And the second, we will perform the series of operations in this sequence, starting from parenthesis and ending with subtraction. Just make a note here, in PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have the same priority. So starting from left to right, whichever comes first, we will solve that first. Similarly, addition and subtraction, they both have the same priority. So starting from left to right, whichever comes first, we will solve that first. Now let's start solving this expression. So we will start from left to right. So we will check for the parenthesis first. So yes, we have the parenthesis. So we will solve this first. So 36 divided by 3, 8 minus 6. So answer is 2 and the relation here is multiplication. Now again we will start from left to right. So we don't have exponents. Now we will check for multiplication and division. So yes, we have division and we have multiplication. So they both have the same priority, but starting from left to right, division comes first. So we will solve 36 divided by 3, multiply by 2. So 12, 3s are 36. So 12 multiply by 2. So we got our answer 24. So 24 is the correct answer. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.